80% of Jamaica's supplies of peanut is produced in the parish of St. Elizabeth. And today we'll be speaking to ex-Rovia Smith, a small peanut farmer in the parish for over 49 years. Welcome back to Shan Unique Vlogs JA, bringing you another inspirational farming story. Welcome back to the channel. We're here in Lucky Valley, Nain, St. Elizabeth in beautiful Jamaica, and we're here with a peanut farmer for many years. He also farms other crops such as corn, sorrel and so on, but I know him as a peanut farmer. As a matter of fact, he's my uncle. And his name is Edson Rovia Smith. One unique name. Why, so many times I try saying that name, but I call him, we know him as Uncle Dodo. So we're on his farm here and he's going to show us what he has on the farm now. What you have now, Uncle Dodo?
I have potato background, but now down here so it's only the sorrel and the peanut here.
Sorrel and peanut.
Along with the corn.
Yeah.
We used to plant the whole of this area and peanut.
Yes.
But this time I cut it short and plant only the 8th year. So the season generally don't give plenty rain.
Okay.
That is what happened now.
Right.
Obviously, peanut 9 weeks.
Yes.
Should be reaping in 3 weeks time. And
no peanut.
No peanut.
Oh, because of the drought.
Because of the drought.
Okay. So normally how you plant the peanut?
When I reap the crop,
yeah,
I dry it, save stump to plant back.
Okay.
Alright, then I'm going to prepare the land. Scatter the fertilizer over it.
Yeah.
Tractor go through, plow it up.
Right.
Scatter the peanut
over
the land. Tractor go over and refine it.
Okay.
That's the way I did it now.
Okay.
But in earlier years, you used to trench the land.
Yeah.
And walk and drop it.
Yeah.
But nobody don't do that in this area now again.
Okay.
So you just have to go and throw it to work. No.
Yes. Nowadays.
Nowadays.
Yes.
Everybody use the tractor.
And when is the best time to plant peanuts?
Well, I usually plant the spring crop in March or April. And the fall crop in August or September or early October.
Okay.
That is the fall crop.
And
this crop now is spring crop. I usually plant it in March or April, but now because I didn't get the rain, I plant April. You didn't give the amount of rain, so the crop suffer.
So normally how long would it take for the peanut to be ready?
I pull in 12 weeks time.
12 weeks?
In 12 weeks time.
Okay.
Yeah.
But because of the drought you have to be waiting now for some rain.
Waiting to see if I can get back the crop.
Yes.
I won't say the crop, the plant.
Oh.
Because it look weak now, you see.
Okay, so you're just going to get back to plant back.
Yes, it wasn't. We have you see.
Okay.
Nothing. 9 weeks.
Yes.
I don't have the beer in it.
Yes.
So if it did get the season, you'd have plenty on it.
So how long you think you would say, estimate, how long you've been planting peanuts?
I start planting peanut from age 15.
Yeah.
That is about 49 years now.
49 years. Wow. So you know everything about the peanut, you know?
Because I am now, September will be 64.
Okay. So you're a veterinary peanut farmer.
Yeah, but I cut back on the production now.
Yes. Yeah, because you used to plant like enough peanut.
Yeah.
Yes.
Plant all of acre and a half.
Yes.
But now because of the cut back.
Yeah.
I think all I need to take things a little easier.
Yes. But in terms of financially, have you benefit from farming, especially the peanut?
When you catch a crop, yeah man, peanut. When you catch a crop.
Okay.
Benefit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I built one for myself, a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom.
Yeah.
Veranda, living room, kitchen, everything.
Yeah.
Through the farming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So farming, yeah man, so you can make a living from farming once you put
yes.
you all into
from you get the season.
Yeah.
And you put in the work and you get the season. The main difficulty have is the dry season.
Yeah.
The
drought.
Season, yeah. But sometimes, you know, when crop heavy, you know, things go cheap.
Yeah.
But apart from that, the biggest problem is the drought.
Yeah. Yeah. But you don't have any problem like with predators near animals coming in the farm or so?
In the earlier years,
yeah,
we used to have a lot of problem with cows.
Oh.
Stray cow.
Yeah.
But since the last set of years now, that kind of cut off.
Okay.
In September.
Okay. Okay.
It was planned with the intention to get it earlier this year, but due to the drought,
yeah.
Year.
Okay.
Yes.
So you still have sales for it if it come before the season that we know it for?
I use the Surrey market, I get sale for it anytime I have it.
Okay.
Somebody who buy it.
Okay, okay,
yeah,
so that's good. So normally who would buy like the peanuts from you?
My peanut buyer is a lady from St. Mary.
Oh.
She buys the peanuts.
Oh, so she sells in the market or?
She keep it in her home and people come and buy it.
Okay. So she traveled all the way from St. Mary to St. Elizabeth too?
She travels from St. Mary to St. Elizabeth for the peanut.
Yeah.
But she don't bring the cash. But you know you can't carry the cash.
Yeah.
So that will come through the bank.
Okay.
She don't walk with it.
Okay. Smart. Yeah man. Yeah, so we have this type of variety of corn look like a different variety that I don't know. Is it same regular corn? It's not sweet corn.
No, it's not sweet corn.
Okay.
Sweet corn.
Oh.
No, the original regular corn we used to plant.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because of the drought it looks like that.
Yeah, if it was a drought, you would see peanut tall reach up. If it have rain,
yeah.
You know, to reach your ear, corn would have a corn.
Tall.
Yeah,
and corn on it.
Corn on it, but everything failed because of the drought now.
Yes, yes. Well, we have learned something about peanuts and how the best season to grow peanuts and
you see in Lower St. Elizabeth,
yeah,
you can plant anytime.
Oh.
Because them have the rain.
Okay.
But the reason why we plant back here so Indians in April, March and from August after. The reason why we plant back here that's the time when you get the rain, the season.
Yeah.
So we kinda go off the season.
Right.
But in Lower St. Elizabeth them plant January, February right through.
Right through.
Yeah, in Lower St. Elizabeth.
That's like Warmiston so.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I always see them farming the peanut.
You have to go according to how you get rain. So we plant this time we expect so we may have some rain in April, March, April, May.
Yeah.
We plant with that expectation, then the plant said August, September could expect again to have some other season.
Yes, yes.
And drought is our regular season for this year.
Yes, that's it. St. Elizabeth is very dry and very hot sometimes.
Especially on the south side here.
Yes, yes. But like you know, normally you see people grass certain crops. You don't have to grass peanut. You
don't grass peanut.
No.
You don't grass peanut.
Like
Scallion on time, you know.
Yeah.
Keep the moisture.
Right, right.
The peanut stand up to pressure still, don't.
Yes.
So the peanuts don't need a whole a lot of extra rain still, you know, but need water to carry it.
And after you plant it, what you have to do? You have to go back through and weed it after a while?
In earlier days, I used to go through with one machine.
Yeah.
But now,
yeah,
I get the chemical,
yeah,
go through and burn out the bushes.
Oh.
With the peanut.
Right.
Yes, I don't use the one machine to it again. Just get the chemical, put in the knapsacks.
Yeah.
Go through, burn out the bushes.
Okay.
That is easier way for me now.
Yes, yes.
For many years I started doing that.
Yeah. Okay. Scallion.
Everything.
Yeah. Yes.
I plant mostly now potato for the home, cassava for the home,
yeah.
Other things for the home.
Yeah.
Peanut and cereal for the market.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Peanuts come in many forms, including roasted, salted, chocolate coated, and as peanut butter. Different types have different nutritional profiles and various health benefits. Along with their healthful nutritional profile, peanuts are calorie-rich food, so they're most healthful when enjoyed in moderation. Peanuts are an especially good source of healthful fat, protein, and fiber. They also contain plenty of potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and B vitamins. Despite it being high in calories, it is still good to have peanuts, but in moderation. According to RADA, 80% of Jamaica's supplies of peanut is produced in St. Elizabeth. Because of the sandy soil and warm climate, peanut farmers have successfully grown peanuts in this parish.